Okay, so I'm really proud of this military water can shower rig I've got going here. This thing works exceptionally well. It's made out of a military water can with a Schrader valve that's hooked up to an electric pump that I can access from just an accessory plug-in up here. And that activates the pump and sends the water out. Now it comes out here and I can hook it up to this nozzle. And it's got a little pressure in it now from when I ran it earlier. Let's see what's left. So yeah, I just ran it for a minute a little while ago, but it still holds its pressure pretty well. So I come in here, just plug this in. And then that activates the pump and primes this thing up. This is hard to do and film at the same time. Let's hope I don't wet my camera. All right, so there you go. I don't want to waste water, but that's pretty cool. Let's turn this pump off. That's plenty. But yeah, you can see that thing can put out some serious water. And you can use this, you got all these different selections here. You can get different types of sprays out of. And it's great for washing dishes or hosing off after you visit an amazing desert hot springs with let's say not the cleanest of water, but hey, it comes from the earth. It's got to be good for you, right? So yeah, after soaking in this, hosing off here is going to be a treat. And then I won't smell like dirty socks. Anyway, isn't this great?